Hey everyone, here with another depressing dog video. We still have not gotten rid of Teddy's bowls. And one of the reasons I love Teddy I'm at that stage where I'm being plagued by guilt. I loved Teddy so much, and over the last year was complaining a lot about Teddy. Maybe too much. Like I would complain to my mom. While you can still, I feel like you can still love somebody or something and still complain. Like, Teddy was really old. He was almost 17. And for the ever since we moved to Vegas, it was he was such a, he's a dog. He was such a creature of habit and was so used to like a different life and just easier in Los Angeles. I don't know, like ever since we moved to Vegas, he slowly and then rapidly started to lose his functions, like his ability to hold it, and would do number one and number two all over the house, even though I would take him out all the time. Like I would take him out, he would do nothing, come inside, and then do number one or number two right after I took him out. And he was such a good dog. He was such a good dog, and I feel really bad. And maybe this happened this way as a lesson. I am my mother's caregiver, and not once, I will not once, even if it's the healthy thing to do, I don't care. Never will words come out of my mouth complaining, even from a place of love and frustration, about anything related to my mother. Like, I will not, no. So, yeah. And now I'm just heading to the garage because it's like 5 minutes later and I realized, oh my God, I went to Trader Joe's. This is not a joke. I wish this was a joke. I went to Trader Joe's earlier and I forgot to take my groceries. I forgot to take the groceries out of the trunk. Thankfully, I didn't have anything frozen. I have some kombuchas, some turkey jerkies, some hams. The ham and turkey I'll still eat it. Oh my God. At least, let me see. Let me touch this. Yeah, that's totally warm. At least I went to Trader Joe's later in the night, like around 6, not in the middle of the day or in the morning. So, gosh, yeah. What an idiot. So yes, I am going to do some emotional eating now, and that's okay. And I'm feeling even more guilt. I mean, it was hard. Like, even recently, like I've been, I've been going to bed really late. So I'd take Teddy to sleep, to go outside at like midnight, 1 in the morning. And at 4, he'd be waking me up to need to use the bathroom, or waking me up to let me know that he already went in my bedroom. It was hard. It was hard. You'd be complaining too, I think, right? It's just natural, I think. Trying to force myself to smile and have some popcorn with ketchup. Yeah. I truly believe that ketchup makes everything better. And you have to eat it with a spoon, of course. That really is so good. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Thanks for watching.